to this series. As you know, this series is going on for sorry okay this series is going on for Windows Server 2008 R2. So we have already covered many parts of Windows Server 2008 R2, but in this video we are going to cover one most important feature, an enhanced feature in Windows Server 2008 R2, that is backup and restoring. Okay, so before we configure this feature, I just wanted to tell you something which is very important to understand the basic things of backup, right? But in Windows 2008 we have feature, that backup feature, but earlier what was there in Windows Server 2003, that is called anti-backup command. Through anti-backup command we supposed to use configure the backup, take the backup, and there are the different kinds of backup. How many kind, what the kinds of backup, what the types of backup? There are the 5 types of backup in Windows Server 2003. That is what just let me log in this into. Okay, so let it log in, right? So what so how many types of backup are there in Windows Server 2003? There are the 5 types of backup. One is normal, copy, daily, incremental, and differential. Okay, so in the backup infrastructure is same and everything is same. So before you configure the backup, we should understand the backup. That's why I review these things. I just I just back to you in the earlier operating system. That's the reason only, nothing else. But let's come to this video. Now we will configure Windows Server 2000, backup in Windows Server 2008 R2. But before that, I just wanted to tell you something which is more important. So as you know guys, this video will cover for backup and restoring Active Directory Server 2008 R2. We will do 4 steps in this video. Maybe it will take 2 video also, no issue. The first steps we will do: install Windows Server backup features. First we need to install the backup Windows Server feature, and first we need to install Windows Server backup feature, and second we will perform a simple backup. Okay, and third we will perform restoring from backup. What of the backup we have done, how we will restore, that thing also we will perform. And fourth is performing a system state restore using command line tool, because there is no graphical user interface in Windows Server 2008 R2 for the system state restoring. There is only command line tool is there, so you have to perform this task through command line only. So we will do this task, and we will I will explain all these things, what is the command, how we can restore the data, whatever the things are there, we will definitely I will tell you. Okay, don't worry about it, just keep on watching this video. Okay, let's come to the VMware or system. Okay, in the server manager, so our DC1 CMSR, right? This system is, this is first DC cmsr.com, but we no need to install the any roles, because Windows backup feature is not a role, it's a feature. So you have to go to the features option. In this feature option we can add the feature. What feature? If you just scroll down this and you will get the backup feature over here. Just expand it and see, there are 2 options: Windows Server backup and command line tool. I already told you guys, we will perform the third steps, 3 steps, but last one step, which is system state restore, that will perform by only command line tool. That's what we need, this option also. So I checked this one, I just click the next and install. So it will take times to install. So once the installation part will be done, so we will I will start explaining these features which I told you, right? It's done, guys. See, the installation is succeed, right? What installation is being done? The Windows Server backup features. In this Windows Server backup feature, there are the two options: Windows Server backup and command line tool. Which two options we have selected? The time of configuration, right? So it's done. So I just close it, and I just close this snap-in also, and just we will open the Windows backup. See here, the Windows Server backup snap-in already come, right? So just click over here and it will open. If guys, I just wanted to say one more thing which I know, and it is very important for me. Whatever the things I wanted to know, I just read out. There is in every window, every snap-in, there should be this help option will be there, and there is a help topic will be there, right? In this topic, Microsoft has explained, very crystal way and very clarity, very clearly mention all these things, which the features, which the snap-in you open, what the things are there, how we can do it, right? So guys, do not forget to read this. It will definitely will help you on your career. If you wanted to be a good engineer, if you wanted to be a master in these things, definitely read it. So definitely it will help you out to understand all these things. Okay, so I just close this thing. This I just open this slide which right, this I first part is completed, that is installation Windows Server backup feature. Now we will perform a simple backup, then restore from backup, then we will start fourth option, that is the system state restoring. Okay, so guys, let's come to this here and see in this right panel of this snap-in, Windows Server backup snap-in. In the right panel you will get the backup schedule. What actual it's backup schedule, right? So the beginning page, the getting started page indicate, written all these things about, right, how you can take backup: full server, system state, selected files, folders and volumes. You can take, and just click the next. Here are the two options, are the full server backup and custom. If you wanted to take custom, instead of some files, folders, volumes, you can you can choose the custom. Otherwise, if you wanted to take the full server backup, you can take it, right? I'm just click next. See, if you wanted to take backup once in a day, so you just choose this option and choose the, if you want to, I wanted to take this backup at night 11 o'clock, right? I just click this option and click next, right? But I don't want to, I just wanted to take backup for thrice in a day, right? So just click this option. I wanted to take backup 12 a.m. just edit, and the 9 a.m. okay, and 3 a.m. right? In a day I wanted to take backup 3 times, so that's why I added this 3 option, right? And I just click next. Okay, so it asking the specify destination type, so where you wanted to save, right? You can select, okay, and then click the next. What are the disk are there, you can select over here. You can choose your disk, available disk, okay, but I don't want to this thing, so I just click the previous and cancel it. Okay, so you understand, right? Backup schedule, how we can take backup giving the time, right? If you wanted to take backup once in a day, so you just choose the first option. If you wanted to take more than once a day, so you can select the custom option, right? So you can do it, right? So so in this video, this part we have covered, that is the performing a simple backup and installation Windows Server backup feature, right? In the next video we will cover next thing, which I already told you, this restoring from backup and performing a system state restore using command line tool, right? Till that time, take care, bye bye.